YouTube play in background. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can play YouTube in background, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to play YouTube in background, whether it is in picture mode or even when your screen is off, you need to have YouTube Premium, and it's very simple if you have Premium. Once you make sure you have got YouTube Premium, you just come to your profile page, then you tap the gear icon from the top right, then you simply go to the option called backgrounds and downloads. Now first of all, you can see background play, you can see playback, set this to always on, right? After you do that, go to general, also go to picture in picture and turn on picture in picture mode. What this does is that if you happen to go ahead and then basically play a certain video over here, even if you go ahead and then minimize it, it will still get played. And the good thing is, even if you turn off your screen, the video is actually still getting played over here, as you will be able to find them. So this way you can play YouTube in background, but the easier way is that if you have got Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.